traffic, 0 Delta Mike, 3 miles.
Alright, you ready to do something?
Sure.
Alright, I got the controls real quick.
Your controls.
Got the controls. Your engine just failed, what are you gonna do?
Okay, carb heat on.
You got the controls,
Rich,
right?
have the controls. We're gonna pitch for best glide.
Good.
73.
65, right?
Or 65, sorry.
Yep, all good. Remember, if you roll that trim all the way in, you can get it to best glide without even having to touch it.
Yep, there we go.
Cool.
Alright. We're gonna switch over 7700, or we're gonna check everything. We're gonna go with,
Best place to land, right?
okay.
So A, B, C, D, E.
Well, I thought we checked everything and then tried to restart the engine.
Make sure you have a place to land first.
Okay, alright. We're at 3100, so, there's lots of fields here with empty fields. Probably maybe over there where it's pretty clear.
Is there anywhere better? Look close by, to your left.
Well, right next to this road.
You see the runway down there?
Oh!
That'd be a good place.
I do see the runway.
So let's take it all the way to landing this time.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a radio call real quick.
Okay.
So there's our best place to land. So either runway's good, it's calm winds,
Okay.
and I'll make a radio call. And how about we line up for runway 5?
Okay.
Alright, keep going, A, B, C, D, E.
Okay, so we'll check, make sure all the, we're getting something here. Get on the radio, get our airspeed, try to get the start back up.
Miami University, Scott, Core 670 Golf, simulated engine out, over the field, 2,500, Miami University. Good, now you're just trying to make the airport too. So your flow, right? Fuel cycle valve both, mixture rich, carpet on, mags on both, mass switch on, primer's locked, and if it was dead stop, we'd try and restart it, but let's say it didn't restart.
Okay, we're gonna go, fuel valve off.
Good.
We're gonna pull the mixture.
Good.
We're going to basically shut everything off except for we'll wait for the electronics till after, at the very end.
Good.
We'll pop the doors.
Good. Nice job. Seat belts are tight.
Seat belts, harnesses on.
Same more traffic, 7638 Juliet, turning left across.
And D for declare right, we want to...
Squawk 7700, 121.5, mayday, mayday, mayday. Engine out, I am over the field of,
Yep.
Butler County.
Miami.
Miami,
You're
sorry,
good.
Miami.
Alright.
Attempting to land on runway 5.
Alright, so always fly the plane first, we gotta land, right?
Right.
So use your best judgment to get yourself in there. We're getting pretty low right now, so I'd probably cut it right on your base already.
Okay.
And I'm just worried about you making the field.
Juliet, same more traffic.
Got 70 Golf, short approach, runway 5, Miami. Good, you don't have power to work with here, right?
Right, I'm just...
I mean, if we have to use it, we'll use it,
Right,
but
yeah.
you're good so far? What about those flaps, maybe? You are a little low still. I'd start that turn right now.
Okay.
I would put all your flaps in.
Right now?
Yep.
Flaps down. Oh shit. You're good.
Just make sure your wheels get straight, right? Keep yourself on the runway. And we'll back taxi here. Didn't expect that, did you?
No.
So it can happen at any time, right?
Right.
So you got to be ready and know your emergency procedures like that.